Yum.
Kumusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I will be showing you how to make this very quick and easy shrimp paste fried rice recipe. And our ingredients for today are minced garlic and minced ginger. We also have salt and pepper. Also, the main ingredients here is shrimp paste. I got this shrimp paste at the Asian market. This is product of Thailand. I recommend the shrimp paste because it has a lot of good flavor to it. So if you're buying one, buy this brand. Also gonna need a chicken stock, and also a cooked white rice. I have a video on how to cook a white rice. I will link down below on the description box. We're going to use a skillet. Just heat up a skillet, or if you have a wok, you're welcome to use that. Just add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm using olive oil. And now I'm going to saute the minced garlic and ginger. Just cook this until they're lightly brown. Cooking this on a medium to low heat. And now slowly add the cooked white rice. You don't have to use a fresh cooked white rice. You could use a leftover rice. Actually, these ingredients is better if you use, this recipe is better if you use a leftover white rice. You don't want a soft rice to make a stir-fry rice. Make sure if you have leftover, use that. Just mix that thoroughly. Make sure the rice are spread out evenly. And now we're going to add the chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you're welcome to use a water and just chicken stir-fry seasoning or chicken bouillon. Now we're going to add the main ingredients here, the shrimp paste. I love the shrimp paste. This is a flavorful shrimp paste. We call shrimp paste in the Philippines bagoong. And this is perfect for any Asian recipes. You can mix this, just a little goes a long way. Just mix this until everything are well combined. Again, cooking this in a medium to low heat. And now you're just going to season this with salt and pepper. And that's it. This should be done. You don't have to add a lot of salt because the shrimp paste is a little bit salty already, so just be easy on that. Just give this a little stir and then serve this right away. You could top this with egg, with a fried egg or sunny side up egg. This is a very quick and easy stir-fried rice recipe using shrimp paste. My daughter likes this fried rice. It's very easy to make, very simple and flavorful. I hope you like this video, and if you do, again, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and share this recipe. Come back and see us again, and thank you for visiting Dash of Spices.
Yum.